You know how we've been talking about kit-based materials and stuff from your kits to build fires, right? Your mini infernos, your tent stakes, your duct tape. This is another piece of your kit-based material, right? You've got a shemagh. You've got a Fresnel lens. Today is sunny, and I'm gonna put this in some tinder. Now this is stuff that we teach in other classes. If you come back to another class, like basic and some of the other ones, is how to do stuff a little more advanced, I guess, if you will. But this is just another piece of your kit, like I said, off your shemagh and your Fresnel lens. And notice which way the sun is when you're doing this. You don't want it to be, you want it to be right with the sun. And you'll have to play with this to get it in a certain angle. And you can watch the little dot that it's making. See, it's already smoking. And you can move it in and out. See how it's big there? And it's bigger there, but you find that sweet spot to where it's a real focused, fine point. And it's generating that heat. Everybody see that?
Yep.
That took only seconds for you to see smoke starting.
Now, if you were using a regular magnifying glass, would that be equally effective? Or?
You could. It's according to what power it is and stuff, and the size of it makes a difference.
Some friends of mine lost their barn as a kid. It was a magnifying glass somewhere in the window. They lost the whole barn.
So now I've got a red ember when I blow on it. See, I've got the back of my fingers open to where I'm letting the air and heat climb through that tinder bundle and heat it up. So that's another way that you can use a piece of your kit, being your shemagh and your Fresnel lens that you can carry in your wallet or in your hat and always have with you.